camera.
Hey Rob, morning everyone, or afternoon, wherever you are in the world. So today we're off on a little trip out to Cedar Creek Falls, which is about an hour's drive, mate, yeah, is that all right? From where we live, off out to the west in a nice sort of national park area. So Cedar Creek Falls has basically got some swimming watering holes that we can dive into and take the dog with us. So yeah, we're gonna take a travel up there and stop on the way, some place where they've got some nice little cafes and whatnot. So we'll check in when we arrive there. See you in a bit. So we've just pulled up in a little village called Samford, which is about 20 minutes from the Cedar Falls Creek where we're going to head up. So we've stopped here, going to have a bit of a bite to eat. Robbie's come with us. Here we are, Little Tree Bacon Brew House. Looks nice. Hey mate, can we get a table for 3 and a pooch as well?
Yeah, no worries.
That's nice here.
Yeah, first time here.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I'll get you some more menu.
Thanks mate.
Is there any way you want to sit?
No, not really. Wherever you want to chuck us, yeah, we're fine. It's nice, isn't it?
We're not winning out.
Huh? Beautiful spot. So it's part of a creek here. I wonder whether that links on to where we're going. What you got to say? What you got to say about it?
The one that we went to had all that. Why am I like seating? What you got there, Rick?
Brekkie burger.
And what we got
that.
But you got tomato relish, maple bacon, fried egg.
All sorts. Bloody lovely. Bread, brioche, some sort of brioche.
Samuel,
Nice,
what did
eh?
you have, darling?
French toast.
Fruit toast with jam, and I went for the poached egg on sourdough with, what was this, caramelised onion, something or other. Coffees, and Samuel got a little iced chocolate. Enjoy this.
just arrived at Cedar Creek Falls. It's lovely here, guys, isn't it?
Really nice.
You ready for a little trek?
Ready, Rob?
Ready, Rob?
Come on, Rob.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, goodness. Come on, Robbie. Come on, darling.
Boy. Oh, go down here, Mum. Oh, this is so fun, this side. Not this side. The bridge is
Look how clear it is.
Dad, do you reckon there's crayfish in there, like there was in the UK?
I don't know. There
See,
you go, Rob. Should we wander up there then, just have a little look?
I'm just following Rob at this point.
Right, we're just going to walk up that way, Samuel. Oh, look at this. Have a look down here.
Oh, mind you, then you've got to put... Oh no, because you brought a towel.
Yeah.
Oh, it's freezing.
Is it cold, Samuel, is it?
What's going in there?
Can you hold Rob?
Yeah, sure.
Let's watch. So you can go this way,
Yeah?
and this one.
Yeah.
That's not.
Oh. Go right the way round, sweet. That's it. Are you going too, Rob? Are you going to follow Samuel?
Go to traffic light.
Let's have a look.
I'm going to get on this tall one.
Oh, that's nice. Is it cold, Rich?
Nice. Lovely.
Oh, you always say that.
No,
It don't
seriously
matter how...
though, if
Go on, come on.
that was really
Like a
hot,
bath.
this would be refreshing.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. This way. Robbie. Robbie. Come on. Come on. This way.
Oh, not keen.
Come on then. Come on. Come on. Up. This way. Come on in. Up. Up. Come on in. Come on.
Not on your life.
Come on then.
Yeah,
This
come on
way.
Woo!
I'm going to go over there.
You want to stay with Mummy, don't you?
Oh, you've been a wuss.
On the land, nice and dry.
This is a nice little bit.
Come on.
Yeah, Daddy, bring
Dad,
Robbie over there.
Yep.
Oh, slippery just saying.
Hit with Samuel. This way. Sit.
Good boy, Rob. Is that warmer in that little bit, Samuel, or not? Hello, baby.
Hello.
Oh, not you.
It's okay. Okay. Look at you. Okay. So fun. Do you want to come on the rocks with me?
Ready?
Oh, good boy you are.
Boy, wait.
Wait.
Gas, is it?
Boy.
Ah. Up to the top of the mountain with your dad chasing behind you.
Bobby. Fit, swim, make him swim back.
Oh, you little beauty.
Dad, I'll get.
Was this fighting for his life?
Are you gonna?
Dad,
You're gonna come back to Samuel now.
Samuel.
Oh God.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh God. It's a bit cold. No, I'll stand. Dad, I'll stand here.
Doesn't really like it.
No.
I've just had a little dip, haven't we, guys? Well, I did anyway. I did. Right, let's keep trekking.
Bobby. Bobby, this way. Right, which way?
Sorry. Up there.
Where? This way.
Up there, yeah. So I'd probably go this way and then.
I'll be up.
So what do you think of Cedar Creek Falls then, darling?
I thought you were going to take a photo. I was going.
Do you want a photo? You can have a photo if you're on. Oh, hello, Rob. Robbie.
Yeah, it's lovely down here, isn't it? I think it would have been. I was expecting a smoother trail for us to walk up to the waterfalls,
Yeah.
which would have been easier and better for the dog, I think.
He's done all right though.
He's done okay, yeah. But no, it's beautiful down here, and the temperature is just right today, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
not too hot.
Well, I think if you're coming down, I think if it was hot though, it'd be a nice place to come. Cool off.
Yeah, but there's no toilets
No toilets.
and no cafe. So if we come down when it's hot and I want to spend the day here. But no, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Beautiful scenery. And only an hour. What did it take? It's an hour?
Just over an hour. Yep. Come back again. Bring Georgia.
Or perhaps just come back the two of us. Be
We
nice.
could do. Try and get rid of the kids for the day.
Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah. All good. We're
Now
going to
my
try and find a coffee shop, get a coffee and cake, shall we? Let's go. See you in a bit, guys.
Thanks for taking us. It's been nice.
Good, isn't it?
I thought it was just going to be boring, just rock wall.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going up.
Wait. I'm going to put that on the right. No. Yeah.
Yeah. look at them bananas up there, look. Hello, love of my life. She's playing it cool, playing it cool.
I reckon next time we should turn off the lead.